name is Dr. Jeevith. I'm basically a botanist working as a restoration ecologist and a plant biologist in Upstream Ecology Foundation, Ooty. So we basically work on restoring the grasslands and shola forest in mainly on Nilgiris and Palnis and Kodaikanal. So we do associate program on restoration of plants and animals too, with the comparison of the associate of the wildlife to support the wildlife and the landscape. So this is our motto to work on from past 2-3 years. So earlier I was doing on research on birds and the plants with aircraft's ecosystem. So this is my passion to work on in Nilgiris. Today we are going to talk about a plant name called Christisonia tubulosa, which belongs to the family Orobaceae. So this plant is basically a semi-parasite plant which highly distributed in evergreen and semi-evergreen forest from 900 meters to 1200 meters elevation. So this plant prefers an understory condition of forest edges and the buffer zone, which also prefers the rocky slopes, and it's a typical habitat to grow on this rock cliffs. So this flower is typically from Christisonia genus, and this has almost some 200 to 300 species all over the world. And this particular Christisonia tubulosa is mainly rediscovered in 2003, which was earlier first discovered by Robert White in 1835, and later it was rediscovered from the Anomalais Tiger Reserve and was dedicated to the person's Robert is a medicinal practitioner from University of Medicine in Edinburgh. So this plant has chosen from a SharonPly to dedicate the calendar theme of the year 2025. So which is a special moment, one of the plants from the Orobaceae family of a semi-parasite family group, which highlights special characteristics, which means it doesn't have that much a flowery or the leafy structure, but the flower which have the tubular structure, which in different colors like pink shade to reddish to yellowish. It depends to the climate indicator, and it changes to the environmental condition and for the fly trap, because most of the parasitic plants or insectivorous plant which known from the other family like Nepanthes or Drosera, and this is unknown family to the younger generation, which should be encouraged for the school students and even for the college students from the botany background or the general characteristics of the plant. So I thank SharonPly for selecting this particular species to the calendar and dedicating the characteristics to Enlight for entire year, and it should be continuing on upcoming years also. I wish you all the best. Thank you.